Nasdaq session open, nice move to the upside, but that move's got breached. So today's bearish bar have been confirmed. Today, no way we are gonna look for longs, only shorts. Only we are gonna look for shorts today. Look how this candle got tapped here all the way up and then all the way down. On this candle, even if it's close fully bearish, I'm not gonna enter on this candle because it have a massive wick to the upside, massive wick to the downside. My stop loss will not be a great position, so I will wait for the next candle to form and plan my trade according to the candle. Okay, let's see how things are moved. So the 5 minute candle close with some long wicks. I am not interested on entering on this candle because it's a wick on both sides. I need a clear engulfing, at least a clear engulfing. So what I am gonna do, I will wait for the next candle like this. If I let's say I have entered on this trade, my entry is here, stop loss above here, or worst case scenario on the 1 minute we have entered after this candle close right here. But look, this might get swiped out pretty much easily because that's is part of the manipulation. Manipulation isn't over yet. So what we should do? We should wait. Wait for a engulfing. This is why engulfing is so much important to me in my strategy. We need to have a clear engulfing when we have a confusing candle like long wick to the upside, long wick to the downside. We are gonna what? We rather wait or go to the 1 minute chart and see for a confirmation. But on this case, market is showing us too much big candle, so we are not gonna try to enter on this candle. We will be wait for a next. We will be wait for the next 5 minute candle because that will give us the confirmation. Okay, let's see how this candle form. So the 5 minute next candle is close to, but the manipulation is not over yet. Manipulation is going on. We don't have any, I mean, criteria to enter on this position, or there is no opportunity for us still to enter. We have to wait, still wait. We are waiting for the engulfing candle. This market can go move all the way up here, and then if the engulfing comes, we will enter. But if this level got based, that's no trade for me. I will leave the day because my bias is bearish. The key level didn't react, didn't give me engulfing, didn't give me a reason to trade. So I am not gonna trade. Okay. But if this market gives me a confirmation on this order block, or if market after tapping onto this order block, if the market gives me a opportunity to enter, I will enter happily. Even if it's a loss, it doesn't matter because I'm following my rules. That's it. That's what important here. So market is looking very well. At this point, we have this massive rejection and massive engulfing. If this candle after this candle close, will be enter on this position. My stop will be above this high. Okay, is it close yet? Yeah, it is. Let's get on with 8 contracts. What happened? Market just fell down. There is a pretty large gap. Doesn't matter. Maybe the gap will be filled. Our trademark is one order have found. Yeah, this is paper trading. 1:2 target to the downside. market have Pegasus. We got enter on this position. Stop loss right below here. Honest to post. Stop loss. I don't know what's happened. Trading view is not cooperating with me. Okay, we won this trade. We have nice rejection. We have that market open, candle opening gap, then candle opening gap filled automatically, and we are moving to the downside. Our stop loss at this high, I think I can keep that here. Or many people will say you should be keeping that above this high. No, if even if this whole moves kind of works reverse, that means manipulation is still going on. We shouldn't on this trade anyway. Market is moving a lot direction. If this candle up here, I will move my stop loss above this high. After this candle close bearishly. Let's see what happened. Wait for the candle to close. Okay, so the 5 minute is closing with pretty much bearishness. 5 minute have closed. So we will move our stop loss below this candle board. This candle body. Minimize the trade. Why is that? Because this have formed a new order block. That will be a new 5 minute order block. Will so we can just keep a stop loss above this order block. Right. Target is still toward trade is going. The market is start reversing. Why? Because it have reached the stream. Let me mark up this stream. Why the trade is reversing from this. Yeah, I will keep an eye on this. Let's see the trade reverse from here or okay, it's coming back. There is no reason for us to do anything here. Let the trade run. Besides letting the trade run. Okay, I will upgrade my TP like let's round up on K on profit something that will give me a larger target. How much will that will be 2.07. That's not very much right. I'm just rounding up. So let's see how our 5 minute is looking. 5 minute is looking cool if this candle holds below this low or below this previous candle's low in a strong manner. I will move my SL over here. Let's see how things move. So this 5 minute order block is almost braced. Now this week left, there is shit in week. Let's see how this shitty week look like. Market is reversing. We have found that order block. I'm not moving my stop loss yet because the 5 minute I am following the 5 minute most of the time. I like to follow the 5 minute order block is reacting, getting respected, giving a reaction back. Let's see how it's close. Let's move to the downside. Nice reaction. So the order block is playing harder. So now we can, after this 5 minute close, we can modify our stop loss to this point. After this 1 minute candle close, so uh, this much order block area is left. And order block side, order block to the downside. Unitary order block with order block is not respecting too much. Bearish zones are respecting. Let's see how it's play out. I'm kind of bit much worried about this zone because that's the last point of order block we have. After that, we have this OB that can be a pain in the ass for us. It's not in the 4 hour. It's a pretty good demand zone. After this, I think we could really go through it. Okay, so market have closed there, so I'm gonna modify my stop loss at this point. Some people maybe gonna ask me why not on the break even and not move my stop loss break even because the trade can go all the way up here and move to the downside and hit my TP that will be valid. That is quite possible. So I'm not moving my stop loss according to money. I'm moving stop loss according to the uh, points or market structure because I'm that will not having a minus 32 loss is not a big deal where that can save your whole trade. So we have a strong downside. We have this candle. This is all of this. And see market had tap into this on our left block. This is reacting from here. Keep an eye for this other block. That's the whole. Let's see how the 5 minute candle closes. Our the 1 hour close. 1 hour is about to close in 2 minutes, and it have still the bearish strong move. So if it's close like this strong bearish, we can anticipate that our target is gonna hit. There is a high chance of our target will be hit. Depends on this 2 minute and 1 minute. Let's see how things move. Okay, so the 5 minute close with long wicks, that's not what I'm expecting for this position, but 1 minute order block is still getting respected and reacting. So that's a good thing. Let's see how we can break this low. Let's see this order block holds and break this law or order block got broken. I am not doing anything because this order block is still holding. So this trade will be valid. This order block is holding. Take two. So order block are on play. I always like to put my SL above two order blocks that give me extra strong reaction because even if this order block fail, maybe this I'm gonna hold and this market move will be valid, right? So I always put my SL work to order block. This order block is CSP, stone tap, nice move, and I have post. It's a nice looking bearish candle. Let's come out. So we play 2 4 hour. Super bearish. We are just following our plans and let's see what's happened. Honor is kind of choppy around here. Market is going up, going down. Let's see what happened. Market is about to tag me out. Okay, market have tagged me out. Minus 0. Instead, I follow my plan. I should look for this order block over here. There is 1 minute on our order block. End up reacting. This is how the trade ends at break even. Okay, that's it. Let's see if we can take another trade or not. That will be covered in next video. See you guys there.